si Kenneth Nolo. I'm 28 years old. And I've been studying Deutsch for almost 2 years na din. And right now, I actually passed the B2 exam from USD. It's my second take to get the examination, and fortunately, I aced it this time. I came from another agency, and I learned Deutsch there. But the first time I took the exam, I did not make it. And then the second time after I got my results, I decided to reach GEM. By God's grace, nakapunta ako dito. And just to tell you guys, GEM is really a wonderful school. All the nung una, bago ako pumasok dito, meron akong mga rumors na I hear a lot saying na ganito yung school and all. Pero once I got in, I really learned a lot. And lahat ng naturo sa akin, lahat ng ininculcate sa akin ng mga lessons ni Dr. George Rus, who's our foundress of GEM Language School. It really helped me a lot. It boosted my confidence with all the requirements na kailangan kong ipasa from USD. I guess I can say that USD is a difficult exam to ace your B2 certificate, but thank God, I also want to thank my parents, my friends, and especially this school who really helped us na i-bring out yung best for us, especially with Schreibe and with all the exercises. I just hope na this will serve as an inspiration for others, not just those who will take the examination from USD, but also from other testing sites, na even though you failed the first time, there's always a second time, a third time to take it. You just have to choose the right school and the right people to help you out dun sa exam na kukunin ninyo, and always ask God to help you and lead you through the right way. And thank you very much, Jen. Thank you to all the people, especially to Dr. Rus, and good luck.